Hello, my name is Nias Karwangi. I'm part of Public Speaking C of English Literature major from Diponegoro University, and here I want to tell you about time management to prevent stress. Most of us experience stress when we feel as tough as if we lack of control over the events in our life. And time management can enhance our sense of control. But what is time management? Time management is being careful about how we use our time and how we portion our time. And time management is a way to find all the things you want and need to do. It helps you decide which things are urgent and which can wait. Learning how to manage your time, activities, and commitments can be hard, but doing so you can make your life easier, less stressful, and more meaningful. And how can you manage your time? First, you can prioritizing your tasks. Make a list of all of your tasks and activities for the day or a week and rate by how important or urgent they are. Uh, to rate by how urgent they are, the urgent tasks must be done right away, like the tasks that near the deadline. And for the important tasks is like the meaningful or important tasks or activities for you. Like if you are a student, if you're in an organization and you have a deadline for meeting, it can list on an important tasks or activities you have. And for not important tasks that do need to be done in one time or that aren't important for you, like when you are near the deadline but you are playing games in the middle of the deadline itself. And the second is controlling procrastination by structure your time. You can use daily planner or weekly planner or monthly planner and list the tasks you want to do. And you can do break up large tasks, like if the task can be done in one day or the task is too hard to be done in one day, you can break it into 3 days or until you done it. And then you can create short-term deadline, like you list the near deadline and the far deadline of your assignment, of your work, of your activities. And the last is avoid perfectionism. I'm not saying that you don't have to be perfect when you are doing your assignment. I mean, if you want it to be perfect, it would cost a lot of time. It would make you stress, so just do your best to your assignment and to your activities. And the third is managing your commitments. When you're managing your commitments, you must letting go the activities or tasks that are not important for you. And when you're making commitments, think about what is not important to you. And when you are ready to commit, you must to do it. And you must to be responsible of your tasks, of your commitment, and you must be open up open up for the new idea or the new suggestion for your tasks of or your activities. And then how effective the management can help you. And the first is you can stop worrying about projects. So by creating a clear plan for your work and timeline with important milestones, you'll minimize the effects or stress that come with working on your projects, because you can monitor your progress, and it means you will stay much calmer throughout the project's course. The second is it allows you to get enough rest. When you manage your time properly, You won't stress over getting enough sleep. And you can complete your work, enjoy your personal life, and still get a full night's rest every night. The third, it helps you avoid overwhelm. We all know the feeling starting at a big project or a big assignment, and suddenly our mind goes into fight or flight mode. And while you might not bolt from your desk, you'll suddenly find a million and unimportant things to do rather than start on the project or assignment you do. But by using time management to prioritize your tasks, you can dispel any feelings of overwhelm, regardless of the size of the project task. For it helps you feel more in control, because knowing you are in control will reduce the amount of unhealthy stress you feel. It helps you to ensure that you enjoy your life more as you complete tasks that matter when they matter. Fifth, it enables you to be healthier. By finding the time and commitment to exercise, you're ensuring that you do maintain those health benefits that come with exercise. So, for sure, stress is common occurrence in today's schools, college, or indeed in a workplace. And with our ever-increasing workloads, but there's still hope, and it starts with better organization of our work and life. Let's face it, we will continuously have a great number of things to do, and there will never be enough time and energy to do them all. But once you learn how to use time management skills to simplify your life, you'll discover freedom. Thank you for watching my video. Hope my video can be informative for you. Bye bye.